Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Yo, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. I'm doing a collaboration with my boy Live from No Hippie Barbecue. Today we're doing some banana sweetbread. First thing I got going on right here is a whole stick of butter along with some sugar. What? Now we're gonna take us a regular blender, or you could use your stand mixer, whatever the case may be. Mix this thing up until it's creamy. Mix your butter and your sugar up until it's creamy. Then take you a spatula and go along the side of that bowl. Make sure you clean that thing up. Get that bowl straight, y'all. We're making sweet banana bread. Now we're gonna take one egg. We want to beat this one egg one at a time. Beat it till it's creamy. After that, you can go ahead and put your second egg in. Once your second egg is in, beat that sucker until it's creamy. Come on, y'all. This is banana sweetbread, a collabing with my boy Live from No Hippie Barbecue. Check him out. Now, since we got this creamy the way we want it, we're gonna go ahead and do the next thing. Take us some old bananas. I'm talking like 3-4 days. Make sure they unripened. You understand? When they're brown, mash them up with a potato masher. After that, we're gonna set these to the side. Dump these right on up in that there butter and sugar mixture. Whip it on up with your mixer. Come on here. Get everything smooth and incorporated together. Now, since we got this here mixture mixed up, let's go ahead and do our dry ingredients. Measure your flour. The ingredients will be in the show more description below. Just click on it. It will be there. Trust me. Now we're going to sift our flour. After that, we're going to add us some salt along with some baking powder, y'all. Yeah. Go ahead and mix all your dry ingredients together. Now, since we got this incorporated, let's mix it all up together in the banana mixture. We're making banana sweetbread. Take your stand mixer and mix this batter up until it's smooth. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and grease your loaf pan. Get that thing together, man. Put some flour in your loaf pan, shake it out. Or you could take a non-stick pan like I got right here. Just go ahead and dump it in. This that boxer key. I love this here software, man. This software, Lord have mercy. This cookware. Now, since I got that put into this here loaf pan, I'm smoothing it out. Now what I want to do is I want to take some brown sugar, cinnamon mixed together and sprinkle it right on top of that batter. After that, go ahead and set your oven. Set your oven to 325 degrees. Put it on in there. Now you got to test this thing to make sure it's ready, man. What I did is I took a metal skewer, poked it in. As you can see, some batter is on it. We got to leave it in for a little while. Now, after that little while, this is what we've got, y'all. A nice golden banana loaf bread. Check out my man Live from No Hippie Barbecue. Now we're taking this here. We're taking this here sugar and water, turn it into simple syrup, and we'll sprinkle it right on top of this here loaf, just so we can keep this loaf bread moist. Just clean out your non-sticks boxer key, move it to the side. This is the turnout of the get down of the banana nut bread. Check out my man Live from No Hippie Barbecue. We're collaborating together. I guarantee you his loaf bread is going to be banging too. Make sure you hit his subscribe button and also hit my subscribe button. This is Ray Mack. Love and not hate. Love you all. Peace. I want to thank you for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Go over to my man Lyle from No Hippie Barbecue and check out his channel. We're collaborating together, man. See what kind of banana bread he's putting together. And I bet whatever he's putting together is got to be funky. Why? Because it's Lyle from No Hippie Barbecue. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hit that red subscribe button and become a Ray Mack family member. Thank you. And also check out these 2 videos. Peace. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody.